According to studies, 75% of individuals will have lower back pain at some time in their lives. This discomfort is often caused by weak core muscles that are unable to adequately support the spine. Having a weak core is another factor that contributes to an increased risk of falling. It is true that physical activity might lessen the likelihood of anything like that occurring, but I won't merely go through a long list of exercises with you. In the first place, I need you to have a solid understanding of what your core truly accomplishes. Once you have this knowledge, you will be able to select a core routine that is suitable for you. So, now let's get started. What your core does in reality. It's a common misconception that core exercise consists just of crunches and sit-ups, but that's not the only thing your core can do. Your core essentially flexes to allow you to lean forward, as in tying your shoes. Additionally, your core facilitates the opposing movement, extension. Leaning over and then standing up straight allows you to straighten your back. Your core's resistance to overextension is equally crucial since it keeps your lower back steady while you're scooping up a youngster or carrying heavy goods. In addition, rotation is an essential basic function. In order to do acts such as turning around to retrieve something from the rear seat of your automobile, you are utilizing it. Additionally essential is anti-rotation, which refers to your capacity to avoid rotating in an unwelcome direction. When you are carrying an unequal weight, such as a hefty shopping bag in one hand, this shields your spine from the strain. Performing these 5 exercises will help you strengthen your core in every direction. Number 1. Russian twists. The Russian twist is the third fantastic exercise for the core, and it helps you educate your obliques, deep core, and lower back to rotate with control during the activity. To tell you the truth, rotation is something that your body accomplishes on a regular basis as well. When you are reaching for anything in the rear seat of your automobile, or when you are turning around to look behind you, you twist yourself. Increasing the strength of this action will reduce pressure on your spine and will make twisting motion more comfortable and effective. How to do it properly. Your knees should be bent and your feet should be slightly lifted when you sit on the floor. Your hands should be clasped together, or you might hold a weight. Maintain a posture in which your core is engaged and your spine is straight as you rotate to the side and lean back slightly. Number 2. AB wheel rollout. One of the most effective exercises for developing core strength is the AB wheel rollout, which is the second exercise in this series. This is the core workout that I would choose if I could only limit myself to one. Regular crunches are easier than AB rollouts since they need your abdominal muscles to avoid arching as you stretch forward. In particular, the deep muscles that are responsible for stabilizing your spine are worked by this exercise. Also contributing to the regulation of the action are your shoulders and lats. How to do it properly? You should begin by getting down on your knees and holding the wheel with your hands. In order to prevent tension on your lower back, you should first brace your core and then slightly tuck your pelvis. Perform a slow forward roll while maintaining a tight abdominal core. Pull yourself back to the starting position when you have traveled as far as you can without losing control of any of your movements. Do not rely on momentum. Instead, try to move slowly and under control. The training of this movement makes a significant effect in people's day-to-day lives. Whenever you lift something heavy, push something, or simply stand for extended periods of time, your core muscles need to be able to resist extension. When your lower back becomes painful as a result of standing or bending, it is frequently because the muscles that are responsible for supporting your lower back are not strong enough. By strengthening them, you can protect your spine, lessen the amount of chronic back pain you have, and improve your ability to move with more control. Number 3. Superman exercise. The Superman is yet another excellent exercise for the core. Your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings are the muscles that are worked by this exercise. It targets the muscles on the other side of your core. The muscles that drive your torso forward are reversed by these muscles, which stretch your spine and provide a counterweight. How to do it properly? When you are lying on your stomach, stretch your arms and legs and lift them off the ground while simultaneously contracting your glutes. A few seconds of holding will be followed by a controlled descent. It is crucial to have a back that is sturdy. There is a good probability that these muscles are weak if you have pain in your back when you stand or bend over. As a result of training them, posture is improved, back discomfort is reduced, and lifting and carrying are significantly simplified. Number 4. Planks and variations on the plank position. Planks and variants on the plank are the fourth fantastic exercise when it comes to building core strength. Even though they appear to be easy, they target deep core muscles that help to maintain a solid and tight torso. You will also engage your shoulders, glutes, and lower back when you perform a good plank. How to do it properly? Make sure that your elbows are positioned behind your shoulders and that your forearms are resting on the ground. Maintaining a straight line with your body, extend your legs behind you and extend them behind you. Put your glutes under pressure and engage your core muscles. Ensure that your hips do not rise too high or that your lower back does not slump. When you hold it for a longer period of time while maintaining proper form, your core will become stronger. There are additional advantages to performing side planks and reverse planks. Your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings will all be strengthened by performing the reverse plank, which is an excellent exercise for repairing the damage that is produced by sitting for long periods of time. It is the obliques, which are the muscles that prevent you from tilting while you are carrying something heavy in one hand, that are targeted by side planks. Obliques that are weak are typically the cause of this problem if you have difficulty with it. It is clear that all of these planks prepare your core for activities that you will encounter in the real world. They make it easier for you to maintain proper posture, lift large items without straining, and move around more effectively in your day-to-day life. So, that's all I have to say. The combination of these exercises will result in a core that is both full and functional. You have the option of selecting different core workouts that you find more enjoyable. The goal is to create core stability, rotational strength, and flexional strength through training. Your spine will be protected, you will be able to move with more force and control, and you will find that training all of these motions makes everything simpler. Have you found this video helpful? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch further helpful videos that are similar to this one. Our goal is to ensure that you are healthy, so thank you for watching.